This is the second problem. All of you write in your notes. Okay. 238. 238. Option is there? Not. 239. Option. 240. Geetika. Option. 241. 241. Just read the data. Read the question here. 241. 240. Geetika.
Yes, sir.
Read the question.
Yes, sir.
Read the question. It is visible or not? Okay.
Yes,
A three-phase.
400,
3-phase 400 volts.
6.50,
50 edges.
6.50 delta connected slip-in induction motor has rotor resistance of 0.2 volts and leakage resistance of 1 ohm.
Okay.
That rotor is
Hmm.
when giving a fan load, it runs at full load at 4% slip.
Okay.
What resistance must be inserted in the rotor circuit to obtain a speed?
Okay.
Let's state the impedance and magnetizing branch.
Okay.
Stated rotor constitutes.
Okay. So your number 240. Yeah? 241. All of you. 241. Tell me what is the given data. All of you taken this question. Take this question first and tell me the what is the given data.
Induction motor.
Oh, okay. Just wait. Given data. Tell me what is the given data here. Voltage, how much voltage here? 3-phase, 400 volts. Good. 400 volts. Okay. Next, poles. How many number of poles here? 6 poles. Good. Next, frequency. 50 edges. Right. Okay. Good. And then rotor resistance. How much rotor resistance given? R2 dash. How much here rotor resistance? 0.2.
0.2.
0.2 ohms. And then X2 dash is also given. Leakage reactance. How much here? 1 ohm. So like this. And also slip is also given, I think. Slip. What is the slip here? 4%. Okay. 4% or 0.04. Okay. And the stator to rotor turns ratio also given. Am I right? Stator to rotor turns ratio. How much? 2.2.
2.2.
Okay. So what is the number here? 241. Okay. 242. 242. Absent. 244. Also absent. 246.
Yes, sir.
What is the number?
246.
246. What is the synchronous frequency here? 120 into 128 by
50.
substitute here. 120 into what is the frequency?
50.
50 by 6. Whole 6. No? And then tell me what is the result? What is the synchronous? How much?
1000 RPM.
1000 RPM. Okay. Let's convert into RPM. So what is your number?
246.
246. Then 247. 47. Absent. 248. Pawan Kumar. 248. Okay, how to convert RPM to readings per second? 180 by. So that means 2 pi n divided by 60 from this relation, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me here what is the speed? What is the speed here? How much? 1000. Tell me what is the result here? 2 pi into 1000 by 60. How much here? Radians per second. How much here? Tell me. You have calculator? Cost. How much? $249. Tell me what is it? This.
104.71.
Okay, 104.71.
71.
Okay, 71 radians per second. Then, okay, so your number 249.
249.
Okay, 250. Who is 250? Kirtana. Absent. 251.
Yes, sir.
251. No? So this is the torque equation. So this way. So
P is equals to
Uh,
K is R2 by
okay, that is the relation. So by neglecting the some values, so we'll get like this. But actual total, what is the total expression of induction motor 3 divided by omega s into V square? Am I right? R2 dash by S. Am I right? So R2 dash divided by S square plus X2 dash.
X.
According to the given data, this equations according to the given data. Okay, X2 dash whole square. Tell me here 3 divided by what is omega s here? 104.71 and then V
400.
400 volts 400 square into R2 dash by S 0.2 by
0.0.
okay 0.04. Slip is also given, no? So 0.04. Okay, by so 0.2 by 0.04 whole square. Good. Then X2 square. How much X2? It is 1 square. So tell me what is the result? What is this answer? Who is next? $253. Purnachand.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? Solution of this? What is the torque equation? Using calculator, find this.
Sir, there is
Hmm.
you take
Per phase. Per phase, V phase is equal to VL by root 3. No? A 3 phase 400 volts. Per phase value, V phase is equal to here. Okay, good. Tell me what is the answer here? Purnachand.
sir, we calculate.
Okay. Anyone respond? This is the answer. 3 divided by any one of you. What is the answer for this?
293.85.
293,
293.85.
293.85. So Newton meter. Is it right or not? Everyone check. Check this answer is correct or not. Okay. Then for fan taps load, fan tap. So what is the relation between torque and speed? Torque is equal to, torque is proportional to for fan taps. This is a fan. So this question is given. So fan load. This is a fan. When driving a fan load. Okay. So what is the relation between torque and speed? It's proportional to n square or n cube or n square. For fan tap load, this is the relation. Okay. That means torque is equal to k into n square. Am I right? No, sir. 253, okay. Then 254. Not. 254. Okay, so what is the synchronous speed in terms of slip? The speed, the rotor speed in terms of slip and the synchronous speed. Okay. I'm asking rotor speed. In terms of slip and synchronous speed. This is right or not? NR is equal to NS into 1 minus S. This is called rotor speed, fan tap rotor speed. A substitute here, what is this equation? Will come. K is into N. That is called NS into 1 minus S. Square. Am I right or not? Substitute here. So what is the 293.85 is equal to K into, what is NS here? Speed, synchronous speed. How much? 1000. 1000. 1 minus S. How much slip here? Slip 0.04. Okay, 0.04. 0.04 scale. So find by using this relation scale. So how much? 254. Your number 254.
Yes.
Okay. 255. Absent. 256. Also absent. 257. Venkatesh.
Yes, sir.
257. Tell me what is the K value here? Constant, proportional constant. Use the calculator.
Yes, sir.
293.85 is equal to K into 1. Any one of you tell me the answer. K is equal to.
Sir, 3.1.
Tell me how much?
3.18 into 10 to the power of minus 4.
3.18 into
10 to the power of minus 4.
minus 4. Okay. So this is the K value. Okay. So it's given. So for speed 850 RPM. Okay. So what is the resistance must be inserted in the rotor circuit to obtain a speed of 850 RPM? Na? So for 850 RPM, so we need to find the torque, load torque. Okay, so here load torque you know well for fan tap slows, K times of N square. Am I right or not? Okay, at what speed? 850. 850 RPM. For this speed, find load torque. So from this relation, so you can easily find that external resistance inserted into the rotor circuit. Okay, so here load torque of fan for 850 RPM is equal to K, how much? 3.18 18 into 10 to the power of minus 4 k into n square. N square means 850 rotor speed. So tell me what is the torque? Who is the next? 258.
229.755.
How much?
229.755.
229.75. So Newton meter. Is it right or not? Check it. All of you, everyone.
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. And then 262 for this 850 RPM. Okay. So what is the slip here? 262 is absent. So then 19 series 201. 263 is over. 263. Who is 263? Absent. And 201, 19 series 201. 263 present. 262. Tell me at 50 RPM, what is the slip? Slip is equal to ns minus nr by ns. Am I right or not? What is the here? Ns here? Ns here. How much speed ns? 1000 RPM. Substitute here. 1000. And then rotor speed 850 by 1000. Tell me what is the answer here? What is the slip here? Use calculator, find this how much? 1000 minus 850 by 1000. 0.15. Good. 262. Your number? Okay. Then 263. Absent. 201, 19 series 201.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will tell you formula. So this at equilibrium condition. So this torque is both are same. Okay, in equilibrium conditions, the full load torque is equal to load torque. Okay, so this equation you know well, that is the torque equation. Okay. So this torque equation. So at equilibrium condition, the load torque is equal to full load torque, and then 3 divided by omega s into v square into. So here one some resistance is included here. Okay, this resistance is included. V square into R2 dash divided by R2 dash plus R external. Some resistance is included into the rotors. So divided by, so like this, and then R2 dash plus R external divided by S whole square plus x2 square. Okay, is equal to load torque. So external resistance is inserted into the rotor circuit of this induction motor. Okay, 3-phase induction, slip ring induction. Then here, how much your load torque? Tell me. 229.755 is equal to 3 divided by omega s. How much omega s? 104.72. So then phase voltage
400 square.
okay per phase, and then R2 dash 0.2, and then R external we don't know, so we need to find this. Am I right? What is the slip here? 0.15. Okay, and then so here also same way, RE plus 0.2 divided by 0.15 whole square plus 1. 1 square means 1. So tell me what is this result? Your unknown thing is a resistance. Find the R external. Find from this relation. Okay, this is the result only. So all of you do by using calculator find this also. This is the second problem. Okay, by using calculator find the R external.